Mazda MX-30 EV scores top in crash test. Mazda's first mass-produced electric vehicle, MX-30, just received top marks in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, New Car Assessment Program, NCAP. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The car scored 100% in frontal and side collision tests. It provided adequate protection for both front and back passengers. It is quite impressive considering the car's suicide doors. Although the MX-30 was not able to achieve 5 stars in the rollover resistance testing, the risk of it turning turtle at 11.6% is very low. In case you were curious, it didn't tip over. In 2020, the MX-30 also received 5 stars in NCAP's crash safety test. This award was highly regarded for both adult and child protection. The NHTSA, under the Biden administration, has proposed major updates to its NCAP program. It will place more emphasis on advanced driver assistance technologies and other vehicle technologies that reduce driver distractions, such as alcohol detection tech. Every month, approximately 3,000 Americans are killed in road accidents. It is a crisis, according to Pete Buttigieg, U.S. Transportation Secretary. He stated that, these changes will save lives on our roads by ensuring that consumers have all the information they need regarding the most recent safety technologies when they purchase a new car. The MX-30, which will be officially introduced in Malaysia sometime in the next year, features an electric motor with 145 PS and 271 Nm. A 35.5 kWh lithium-ion cell powers the front-wheel drive crossover, providing up to 224 kilometers of range. Maximum AC charging power is 6.6 kilowatts, Type 2, connection. A full charge can be completed in less than 6 hours. The DC Fast Charging Interface, CCS interface, is only 50 kilowatts. The charging time for 20% to 80% is approximately 36 minutes. The MX-30 also comes in a mild hybrid version, with a combined output power of 155 PS and 200 Nm. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.